Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Nissan Armada maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And we're going to be using these buttons over here. We're going to be using the info button, the scroller, and the enter in the middle. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. As you can see, maintenance due. Go ahead and press that. Give me a second. Go ahead and press that info button. Now scroll down to maintenance. Enter on maintenance. And enter on engine oil. As you can see, I already reset the distance. But if you don't, to reset it, just go ahead and scroll down to reset distance and enter on it. Now you go back, you're gonna have to press back. Go down to oil filter, enter on it. Go down to reset distance, enter on it. As you can see, the orange indicator has disappeared. And that is it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.